go for Tenacious Challenge and Intense Tenacious Challenge or Wild West. Yes, cherry blush po, okay siya. Mas gusto ko yung pagka-ano nito, pagka-vanilla. Pero kung gusto niyo talaga yung matapang na vanilla, ako sige ako ma-vanilla. Kapag nakita niyo yung mga pabango ko dito, wala akong vanilla na amoy. Kung gusto niyo na matapang na vanilla, go for this one. Yun ang hindi mo mapapabango sa akin, vanilla. Hindi ko alam yung iba, gustong-gusto nila yung vanilla na amoy, no? Sorry guys, but down. Pero mapango naman ng vanilla. Depende rin.
Where do we go wrong? I know we started out alright. Where do we go wrong? I swear I knew we last to start. Where do we go wrong? Or did you change your mind?
Anong basket po yan? Yung pang men po is basket number 2. Basket number 2.
Where do we go wrong? I swear I knew we last this time. Where do we go wrong? Or did you change your mind? How could you change your mind? You got inside your mind.
Grabe ang trip mo. Anong trip ko? Wala nang trip. Yung cucumber po, may pagka-cucumber scent si Peach Glow. Tama ba? Ano yung nabasa ko yung cucumber?
Half my clothes.
Oo, si cucumber, si Peach Glow, may pagka-cucumber. Ay, andito pala may pagka-cucumber. Parang si Nevar or si Sacred sa ganitong scent. Pero I recommend sa inyo pang ano lang, pang babae, Celestel.
I don't know how much to say. I don't know, tell me
Eto.
what you want.
Di nga ako vlogger guys, mag-ano na lang ako, live selling na lang ako.
Where do we go wrong? I know we started out alright. Where do we go wrong? I swear I knew we last to start. Where do we go wrong?
Watermelon or strawberry? Uy, ba't wala akong strawberry, Sen?
Where do we go wrong? I know we started out alright.
Wala akong strawberry, guys. So, hindi ko siya makakompare. Wala akong strawberry. Hi! Hello, everyone! Gusto ko ng... Hello everyone! Guys, habol na kayo mag-checkout kasi paubos na yung ating discount. Ang daming viewers, ang daming nang checkout guys, sabay-sabay. Thank you po! Yes, guys, meron siyang oil, but ilang percent kain? Guys, bilisan niyo na mag-check out.
Perfect tattoos, taking showers, buying shampoo. You are my favorite.
Nakakabisado ko yung mga tanong ngayon kasi atin nga akong concert, guys. So,
I was 16.
nasa gilid po yung strawberry. Teka, nasaan? Cherry to eh. Berry, cherry. Peach. May nakikita ba kayo? Hindi ko nakikita. Si strawberry. Mango to, tsaka watermelon. Ano to? Cherry to. Okay. Kasi yung picture niya, strawberry. Pero cherry. Ay, Berry Crush yung ano niya. Yung pangalan niya, Berry Crush. Sorry, di ko nakita yung picture.
telling you that since 2015, shout out love you, your eyes.
Yes, may mango po. May mango scent.
Check on the king's how I know exactly where it should go. It's like the way the greenhouse makes it that
Mango scent natin, basket number 11. Tapos pineapple, basket number 12. Vanilla lace. Vanilla lace. Anong vanilla lace? Yung purple po ba? Kung gusto niyo ng matapang na vanilla basket 1, yung purple, Lady in Gold. Unapologetic or mango? Kung compare po sa dalawa, mas gusto ko si unapologetic. Pero kung gusto niyo talaga ng fruity, go for mango. Kung gusto niyo ng fruity, go for mango.
together. This is how it's supposed to feel. I'm in love without the tears. You check on the king's cause I know exactly where it should go. It's not the way the greenhouse makes it that melody let go. Something on the king's cause I think our hearts are soft.
Anong perfume? Guys, lahat po sila is EDT. To be honest, ang EDT po, kahit mga mamahaling pabango, hindi siya tumatagal ng 24 hours. Depende po sa location nyo, lalo na kung mainit, or pawisin kayo, or lagi kayong gumagalaw, or medyo masikip yung area. Ang technique, guys, para tumagal yung amoy sa katawan nyo is mag-body oil po kayo. Kung meron kayong body oil, o kaya may mga lotion kayo, or mga spray sa body na may oil, yan, mas okay. Tapos, saka kayo mag-spray ng pabango.
Can't get enough of stay, baby.
Ano bang prank? Sana nga prank lang, guys, no? Sana di ako mahihira. Tiyar.
Let's travel around town.
Sana nga prank lang.
And you need to know you're the only one. And you need to
To know.
keep me alright. Alright.
Yes, guys.
Oh, my heart is so good. I love you so good.
Kung ano pinalabas naming statement, yun na po yun. Yes. Wala na po kami.
Love you so bad.
And we are still on the process, guys. So, please bear with us.
Mad woman, you get close to me. So there's these summer nights.
Yung sweet scent, guys, go kayo for itong mga fruity. Pero I recommend,
That I could
sino ang gusto ng unapologetic? Sino ang nakamiss ng unapologetic? Ito ka, iaangat ko, ah.
and you need to know that hella obsessed.
Eto, bestseller si po. Ay, meron palang Eto, sino gusto ng unapologetic, ilagay ko sa basket 1. Eto po. First 100 checkouts for unapologetic scent.
I love you so bad, so bad. Oh, my heart is so good. I love you, hey, so bad, so bad. Each and you're the only one, alright, alright. And you need to know that you keep me up.
Guys, wait lang. Check ko lang kung i-release na yung naka-bundle nila.
So bad, so bad. Oh, my heart is so bad. Love you.
Ay, may EDP, guys. Wait lang. Etong Andrea Secret Timeless is EDP. Wait lang ha, kung gusto niyo ng EDP, eto i-release guys. Ito yung lalagyanan niya. Limited edition lang. Ngayon lang daw po ito ilalabas sa live ko. Wait lang. This is Memory and Moment. Si Memory, ang kanyang bass note is Cedarwood. Parang si Joma. Tapos si Moment naman, ang bass note niya ay Vanilla tsaka Honey. Kaya feeling kong bango nito. Wait lang, check ko lang.
I know you're going